Good morning, friends. How are you, students? I hope you are all in good health. It has been 4 months since we have been in touch with, and I'm sure you might have gone to the lessons of geography as I had already told you before to get ready with the lessons, start studying. Since it is lockdown and we cannot have work classes, so this is the best means of how to take the classes. And I know that the whole world is facing a lot of problems. Everywhere globally this pandemic is become worse. So let us try to understand, let us try to be safe, let us keep our immunity strong. And we are going to learn about something about geography. And you all know geography is very much important. Geographical knowledge of the area, the places, the climate, the atmosphere, the location, the extent, the direction, the topography, the climatic situation in that area of each place is different. So that we are going to learn in geography. And geography is very much important for us all. My dear friends and students, I would call you friends. Suppose if you have to go to a place or you want to visit a place, what will you do? So tell me, what will you do if you want to visit one place? If you have planned out, if you have to visit a place, what will you do? I am sure you are going to plan out the place where you want to go, the distance of the place, the things which are there in that place. Suppose, for example, if I have to go to Bombay, I will plan out what is the means of transportation which are required to reach to Bombay. Secondly, I will see where do I have to stay in Bombay, which is the cheapest place for me to stay. I have to also plan out the direction. Will I go by train? Will I go by bus? Will I go by plane? Which is going to be feasible for me? Okay, I have reached my Bombay. Where will I stay? 3-star hotel, 5-star hotel, or simple house? Then again, if I have to stay over there, what places I have to see? Which places I have to do? And if I want to move around in Bombay, how many days will I take? I have to prepare a horarium, a timetable. Then when I go to different place, I want to know, I should have some knowledge about that. So I need to prepare, write down some notes of that area, so that when I come back, I can tell the people what did I see over there. This is something in relation to the visit in Bombay. So suppose if I tell you that you have to visit a post office in your place, or you have to visit a zoo in faraway place. So what plans you will do, what you will do, what you are going to do. So that is something in relation to field visit. Our first lesson, which is field visit. Now here the school students are going with the teacher to Naldurga in Osmanabad district. And this is how they move about. What things they take along with them. Okay, this is the route. Okay, you will see field visit, first chapter, field visit, on page number 1. You will see how the place, from where to where you have to go. Okay, I am here and I have to reach here. So how do I move around? Okay, or I am here, Naldurga, I have to reach to Alibag. So how will I take my place from this area, how will I move over here? This is the route. That is, first we need to have the road map of travel. Then what are the things I have to carry with me? When I'm going over there, I have to carry certain things. It depends upon what it is there, whether you are going for hiking, whether there is hiking, whether there is mountain climbing, or whether simple you are going to simple place. So these all things are required, like first aid you require, compass you require, cap, book, pen to write down, bottle to drink water, camera. Okay, as friends you would like to catch the memories, then the bag to carry all your things, then the binoculars to see the things. Yeah, then this is a conversation between, like I told you, we are going for 4 days. So 4 days how you are going to spend. So this is how day one, what time you start, and then the conversation between the teacher and the students. This is whole thing about this lesson is speaking about that. How do you move from one place to another, and what do you observe in the whole day? Okay, that is what is given in this lesson. Like you see, when you visit that place, how is the house over there? Mud and wood houses. Then the roads and shops over there. Then it comes to vegetation of the semi-arid region. Then it comes to cultivation and pulses. Then you see the sugarcane field which is over there. Then the Ujjain Dam reservoir. Then the trees which are grown in that, types of trees which are there. This is all we see over there. In the next part what you go through is, then the Sinahgarh entrance gate is there. Then the rocks and debris. Then which are the forts over there in that area. The layers of the rock you see. Then again we come to paddy cultivation which is going on over there. Then we come to the Devtake well. Then food items at Sinahgarh. Then we come to the Rajmachi. Then a waterfall in Sahyadris, Devrai, Avanrai. Then teak trees, Kalava fort. And then Alibag beach. So this is what you see over there, you find over there. Okay. So when you are going to visit a place, you will see all the places. Okay, which are the places of pilgrimage, which are the places of entertainment, which are the places where you can have some relaxation, which are the important places to visit, forts, museums. These all things come over there. So that is something called field visit. Now you might have understood what I mean to say, what is field visit. Now you plan out a field visit. After read this lesson, you will get the rough idea about field visit. Then now you prepare a questionnaire, make a report on your field visit. Take example wherever you have gone on a trip or something, and think that you have gone on the trip, and then prepare a questionnaire. Like for example, if you are going to one place, what are the things you want to observe? What you want that the students should observe and note down. So prepare a field visit. Then now when you are traveling, you are going to take the ET bus, or what you are going to do about that? Whether you are going to throw the waste here and there, or simply how you are going to take care of it. As you know, our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks about Swachh Bharat. So how you are going to take care of the litter things, the litter which is there during the field visit? And what items should you take with you for the field visit? Now, the items which you are going to take with you, or the luggage which you are going to take with you, depends upon the field visit. Suppose if you are going for hiking or a summer camp, then you need to take the things which will be helpful for the summer camp. Suppose if I am going to northern place, will I take raincoat with me? No. because northern place is cold. So I will take those clothes. I will take sweater. I will take woolen clothes. I will take clothes which will give me protection from the cold. Is it not? I will not take raincoat with me. So keep that in mind, and according to that prepare that. And what is the importance of outline the importance of field visit? Is that clear, students? I hope you will be able to go through the lesson, read it, and you will be able to do that. So make a report on that. It is given over there, exercise is given here. Make a report on your field visit. Prepare a questionnaire for a field visit to a factory. How will you manage the litter during the field visit? What items will you take with you for the field visit? Outline the importance of field visit. So here the questionnaire is for factory, but I would give an option for you to prepare your own field visit, to choose whatever place or whatever you want for your field visit. You will choose your destination for the field visit. Is it clear, students? So thank you and have a nice day for this first class of us of 10th standard geography, first lesson, field visit.